Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your email address and your password or your biometrics. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to turn on two-factor authentication, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. You will now be taken into your account page, from which if you scroll down, you will find the two-factor for login as well as two-factor for transaction option. You can simply tap on these options and then choose from email verification or an authenticator app. You can choose either one of these options and you will be asked to set up security questions. Just choose all of your security questions and provide the answer, and make sure to choose at least 3 questions. Finally, click on the Save button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. After entering this code by checking your inbox, your two-factor authentication will be activated successfully and you will see the enabled option instead of not set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.